Hello everybody, this is Nora with NEQ57, and today we are going to play with some Beauty Big Bang stamping products. As you see right here, I'm going to start out with the stamping polishes. These come in a set, so black with your basic, black and white, and this silver. And I'm also going to test out, do a tutorial with this XL085, which is full of beautiful abstract images. Check them out. And as you can see, their plates come with a blue protective film at the front, and you have the backing, the plastic backing for your protection on the back as well. Very good quality stamping plates. And the other one we're going to test out is XL099. If you're into wild animal prints, check these out, guys. Snake, I love the snake prints on this one. Also, this one's upside down, also with the plastic backing, and there you see some of the images. Absolutely gorgeous. And I also have for you this beautiful stamping plate case. Check it out, beautiful holographic, and it's deep, so check out how wide it is or how deep it is. It's got the nice zipper with kind of like a keychain there, and it has the pockets on the side, so you can put some additional plates if you kind of run out of the plastic pockets on the inside. But this is deep, so it has a total of 16 sheets. 8 for the large plates, as you can see here. They fit nicely. Let me show you how nice they fit. So you slip them in from the side like that. And then the other side has 8 additional sheets with 2 smaller pockets on each side, top and bottom, for the smaller plates. You can fit the square plates or the round plates, so you can fit 16 plates if you put a single one in each pocket. And then you can see how nicely they fit. And so this case is meant, as you can see, it's deep, so you can put a few polishes in there and have the carried, have everything that you need. In the side pocket, you can put your scraper. And if you want to carry this with you or for traveling, it makes a nice case for that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, and there you see me removing the blue protective filming off of the plate. I'm going to start out by testing out the stamping polishes. And there you saw how I picked up the white stamping polish, and I'm stamping over over black. And it's a very good stamping polish. Then I'm testing the silver. I was very pleased with how that one worked as well. And you're going to see what that looks like over black. Beautiful finish there. And obviously the black, I'm not going to test it over black, but I went over the white here. Perfect stamping polishes. I do like these. There you can see how it looks against the light. That silver is just beautiful with the light reflecting on it. Now I'm going to go ahead. These are my Madam Glam colors, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a design on these, and I hope you guys enjoy. And here is a closer look of the snake skin print or those images. Super cool. So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget that I have my code NEQ57 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.